inside the Niger Delta.
Still staying with the Bayelsa State House of Assembly, apparently frustrated by what he considers the poor outcomes of protest against anti-people's policies in the country, renowned Niger Delta activist, Comrade Joseph Eva, has prescribed a rather unusual punitive action against the Bayelsa lawmakers for their alleged legislative rascality in the passage of the Life Pension Bill.
I think it is time we have to show them, give them good lessons so that others coming behind, after them, we respect the name Bayelsa. Look how they are messing the name Bayelsa. They want life pension. It is time we line them in front of, in Bayelsa, in Yanagua waterfront, and flog them. They deserve flogging. Protest and carrying placard will not solve the problem. We better line them up in front, in Bayelsa waterfront, and flog them before the river, flog them, give them 12 strokes of the cane. Then we ask men of God like Bishop Agri to come and cast out the demons. They need deliverance. Bayelsa State House of Assembly members. When we start from Bayelsa, other assemblymen in Niger Delta who are just, they don't even know how these states were created. They don't have history in their head. They do whatever they like. They disgrace the Niger Delta before the international community. When we start from Bayelsa, flogging them, then assemblymen of God to cast out the demon, that wayward demon in their head, then I think we have a solution.
Inside the Niger Delta.